12 reasons why security companies that install on construction sites should use and offer BreeCS to their clients. Number 1. 1 ACU per turnstile for both bi-directional access control and time and attendance. That's right, no need to install 2, cross-wire and program as a clocking in or out reader. Simply select token only and BreeCS will handle everything else for you. Number 2. It's cost effective. It's a set price per site with no hidden fees. Number 3. Active installers always receive free updates. Number 4. Active installers always receive free technical support via email, telephone and via a TeamViewer connection. Number 5. Free branding and access to marketing tools such as Smart Construction Site, so the BreeCS software can be branded with your company logo, and you can use Smart Construction Site as a tool to market the software to your clients, and that can also be branded with your company logo, name, address, telephone number, email, and if a user fills out the form, you get the email. Number 6. I'm a provider of software/hardware only. I do not install on construction sites, so there is no competition from me. Number 7. BreeCS is built upon world-class access control from Paxton, and BreeCS is also an approved integration partner. Number 8. With or without cloud? You decide. No internet on site, no problem. All user reporting and administration can be handled directly from site without an internet connection. Number 9. Pick from multiple biometric providers, including iEvo, Genie Virdi, Suprema and HandKey, and there is more to come in the future. Number 10. CSCS card scanning to check validity and data importation. Readers can be bought from as little as £30 and are a great unique selling point to your construction client. Number 11. A multitude of reports, filters and timesheet data to give your clients exactly what they need. Number 12. Last but not least, I'm open and flexible to software update requests. Thanks for watching.